Oh, snap.
And if you just want to go up a little bit since there.
I like that.
We did 10 ourselves, so.
Ain't bad.
There's 5% limo back there. Whew. I'm gonna hop in?
Yeah?
Alright.
I hear it. Nice doors.
Thank you. If you want to get a picture of this one without the dust cap missing.
Oh, that's good. What's your name and what's in here?
My name's Logan Stafford. I've got 4 DD 3500 Series 15s on an M4. I've got 4 8s in each door by DD, the Pro Audio Neos, and 3 VOB 1As in each door. One door, a DMF 2800 on each door.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
I did a 149.9 on the dash. Brand new, built this week.
Nice. So it's still breaking in and
yeah.
Okay.
So 149.9 on the dash is pretty good.
That is really good, yeah.
There you go.
What are you wired down to?
I don't exactly know. That's I believe it's either 1 or half.
Okay. And do you know your port tuning?
It's playing good at about 38.
Okay.
I don't know the exact peak and all that
you're
yet,
good.
though.
Yes, sir. And this is a 4th order?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the specs of the box?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. It's all good. I like the way it's kind of triangular prism to it, so nice. It's unique.
All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm getting off of it now.
Yeah.
Them brand new subs, if I pop one, I am done for.
Yeah, don't blow anything today.
So clean.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for the demo. Hey, what vehicle is this?
It is a 96 Chevrolet 1500 extended cab.
Okay.
And there is still more to come with it. There's actually, this is a 1-week build, but we're actually going to build a custom console with 8 more 8s and 4 more horns.
Really? Oh, so it's going to add a lot more of the the higher end mids and highs. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. What's your name?
Logan Stafford.
Logan Stafford. All right.
And I got one more thing to show you.
Sure.
To get a good view on the subs.
All right.
Back here.
Oh, snap.
And if you just want to go up a little bit since there.
I like that. Could you play a song at lower frequency and I can get some subflex?
I can.
No, let's not do that. Let's not blow nothing.
Yeah, just with how they're smelling right now.
Yeah, let's not. Let him cool off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that is nice. Did you build this?
Me, my dad, and the buddy that owns that truck all did.
You did? Wow.
We did it all in a week, too.
Really? That looks really good.
Thank you.
I like it. Thanks for showing me, man. Wow.
Yep.
That looks great. It's a good idea. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.